This is Jessica Kreisner, Strategic Account Manager for Sophomore, and this is your IT-Minute Warning. And this week I've got a lot of information to lay on you. What I will say to you in the very beginning of this is please call me. If anything comes up that makes you nervous, that scares you, that you want more information on, please call me. But this week we're talking about two big changes from Microsoft. One is regarding licensing, the other regarding pricing. First and foremost, the licensing. So for those of you that are familiar with the two enrollments under an enterprise agreement that were added not too long ago for servers, EAP and ECI, so the app plat and the core infrastructure enrollments. Those two programs are being retired. If you are currently enrolled in either one of those programs, or both in some cases, you are going to finish out your contract, so don't worry about that. But those programs are going to transition to a program that's called SCE, which is the Server and Cloud Enrollment. Basically, under that program, there's going to be four pillars. Core infrastructure, which is basically what the ECI is now. So your Windows servers and your System Center information, that's going to go under that platform. Then we've got the app platform, which is now just going to consist of SQL. So different from the EAP in terms of the EAP included SQL, BizTalk, SharePoint, and Visual Studio. The app platform under SCE is just going to be SQL. Then there's a developer pillar, and that's going to include your Visual Studio licenses, and then there's an Azure pillar. Now, big changes that came from these enrollments is, and I'm not sure if you're going to be familiar with this Laverne Shirley skit, but instead of everything coming with Pancake, everything comes with Azure. So we have yet to see how these licensing models are going to structure themselves, so I can't make any recommendations or otherwise about how this is going to look for you guys. But we are going to dig in and start looking through what this is going to mean from a transition standpoint, and also for customers looking to get into net new. Now, from a pricing structure, with the release, what's coming is Windows Server 2012 and R2. Those products are coming out. We are seeing posted on the Microsoft website an increase on Windows Server Data Center and remote desktop licenses. I don't know what that's exactly going to translate into for each and every customer. All we can see is that there is going to be a price increase between the two coming in the not too distant future. So, my advice always, get out ahead of this. If you've got server consolidation that you need to do, you want to continue to add remote users to your environment, reach out, let's talk through it and figure out how we can mitigate the net impact of this for you all. That's a lot of information. Reach out, I can get you more. If you want to talk through it, I'm available. This has been Jessica Kreisner, your IT 2-Minute Warning. I'll talk to you next week. Thanks.